Remember the days when you had to go through a bank to get a loan? Well, those days are fading fast thanks to peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club. With peer-to-peer lending, you become the lender, connecting with borrowers who need funding for various reasons, from consolidating debt to starting a business. You lend money at a fixed interest rate, and as the borrower makes their monthly payments, you earn interest income. It's like cutting out the middleman and earning a higher return on your money compared to traditional savings accounts. Plus, you're helping individuals and small businesses achieve their financial goals. It's a win-win.
This might be one of the most exciting passive income streams for 2025. Using AI tools to generate content can be a game changer. AI tools like writing assistants, video creation software, and content schedulers can help you produce high-quality content effortlessly. These tools can generate blog posts, videos, and social media content, allowing you to monetize your creations through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It's like putting your content creation on autopilot, enabling you to earn passive income while focusing on other ventures.
Write an ebook, your words, your income. Have you always dreamed of becoming an author? Imagined your name on the cover of a book, inspiring readers around the world? Well, guess what? You don't need a traditional publishing deal to get your book into the hands of readers. The digital age has revolutionized the way we publish and consume books. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can self-publish your ebook and reach millions of potential readers worldwide. Write about your passions, share your expertise, or delve into a topic you've always wanted to explore. Whether it's a captivating fictional tale, a detailed how-to guide, or a collection of your best recipes, the possibilities are endless. Your unique voice and perspective can find its audience. Once your ebook is live, it's available for purchase around the clock, generating passive income with every download. Imagine waking up to notifications of sales from readers across the globe. It's like having your own digital bookstore, open 24/7, bringing your words to life and earning you royalties while you focus on your next masterpiece. The journey of self-publishing is not just about income, but also about sharing your story and connecting with readers everywhere.
Dividend stocks are like the gift that keeps on giving. When you invest in a dividend-paying company, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company and sharing in its profits. These companies distribute a portion of their earnings to shareholders, typically on a quarterly basis, in the form of dividends. It's like getting paid just for owning a piece of the pie. Now, not all stocks pay dividends, so you'll want to do your research and look for established companies with a solid track record of dividend payments. Think of it as building a portfolio of mini businesses that generate a steady stream of passive income for you.
If you're passionate about a topic and love creating videos, starting a YouTube channel could be your ticket to passive income. Whether you're sharing your knowledge, showcasing your creativity, or simply entertaining the masses, YouTube offers a platform to reach a global audience and monetize your content. From ad revenue to sponsorships, there are multiple ways to earn money on YouTube, turning your passion project into a profitable venture. It's like having your own TV channel, but without the network executives breathing down your neck. Ever dreamed of designing your own t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases? With print-on-demand platforms like Teespring or Printful, you can turn your creative designs into physical products without the hassle of inventory, printing, or shipping. Simply upload your designs, create your product listings, and start selling. The platform handles everything else, printing and shipping the products directly to your customers. It's like having your own online merchandise store, but without the upfront costs and logistical headaches.
Create an online course. Share your knowledge, earn passive income. So what are you passionate about? Cooking, photography, coding? Maybe you have a knack for playing a musical instrument, or perhaps you excel in graphic design. The possibilities are endless. Whatever your expertise, chances are there are people out there who are eager to learn from you. The internet has made it possible to connect with learners from all corners of the globe. Creating and selling an online course is a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge and generate passive income. Imagine turning your passion into a revenue stream that works for you around the clock. Platforms like Udemy make it easier than ever to package your expertise into engaging video lessons, downloadable resources, and interactive quizzes. These platforms provide all the tools you need to create a professional and comprehensive course. You put in the work upfront to create the course, and then it's available 24/7, generating income while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big project. This means you can enjoy more freedom and flexibility in your life. It's like having your own digital classroom, reaching a global audience and building a community around your passion. You can interact with your students, receive feedback, and continuously improve your course content. The potential for growth is limitless. Not only do you get to share your knowledge and passion, but you also get to see the tangible results of your efforts through the income you earn and the positive impact you have on your students' lives.
Affiliate marketing. Recommend and earn. Do you love sharing your favorite products and services with others? Well, with affiliate marketing, you can turn your recommendations into a passive income stream. By partnering with brands and businesses you believe in, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Whether you have a blog, a social media following, or even just an email list, you can seamlessly integrate affiliate links into your content and earn money while providing value to your audience. It's like becoming a brand ambassador, but instead of free swag, you get cold, hard cash. Chapter 7. Have a spare room or an entire property sitting vacant. Why not put it to work and generate some passive income? Platforms like Airbnb have revolutionized the way people travel and find accommodation, making it easier than ever to become a host and earn money by renting out your space. Whether it's a cozy guest room, a spacious apartment, or a luxurious villa, you can set your own rates, availability, and house rules. It's like being a part-time hotelier, but without the hassle of running a full-blown hotel.
Now I know what you're thinking. Real estate? Isn't that a lot of work and stress? That's not exactly passive, is it? Managing properties, dealing with tenants, and handling maintenance issues can be overwhelming. Well, that's where real estate crowdfunding comes in. It's a game changer for those who want to invest in real estate without the traditional headaches. Platforms like Fundrise let you pool your money with other investors to buy into commercial real estate projects, from apartment buildings to office spaces. This means you can own a piece of high-value properties without the need for a huge capital outlay. You're essentially becoming a fractional owner, and the best part, you get to enjoy the benefits of property ownership without the usual responsibilities. You don't have to deal with tenants, toilets, or late-night plumbing emergencies. All the hassles of being a landlord are taken care of by the platform. Instead, you get to sit back, collect your share of the rental income, and watch your investment grow over time. It's a truly passive way to build wealth. It's like having a silent partner in the real estate game, but you're the one reaping the rewards. You can diversify your portfolio and reduce risk by investing in multiple properties. Plus, with relatively low investment minimums, you can get started without breaking the bank. Even if you're new to investing, real estate crowdfunding offers an accessible entry point. So, if you've ever dreamed of being a landlord but dreaded the work, real estate crowdfunding might just be the perfect solution for you. It's time to invest smartly and enjoy the benefits without the hassle.
There you have it. Passive income ideas in 2025 that can help you start a side hustle and work towards financial freedom. Remember, building passive income takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Choose an idea that resonates with your skills and interests. Start small and stay consistent. As your income streams grow, you'll be amazed at the financial freedom and flexibility you can achieve. Check out these related videos to discover quick tips how to grow your wealth and retire early. Share your comments below which idea you find most useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.